This video demos one of the most basic design features, grid options. We are working on creating a new flyer. The canvas objects consist of multiple text boxes and various shapes. Let's turn on grid lines to help us with alignment. Go to the Format menu and turn on Grid to help with alignments and layouts. Check the Show Grid checkbox to show grid lines. You can adjust for different grid spacing as well as grid colors. For this flyer design, since we are working with a solid red background color, we want a lighter colored grid line. Thanks for watching. Orion Label and Print Studio is a Mac app for label and DIY design. Check out other videos in this playlist for more design tutorials.